Hello everyone, welcome to Community Medicine Insight. In this video, we will discuss World Health Day and its theme for the year 2026. It is celebrated every year on 7th of April, which marks the foundation of WHO in the year 1948. The main aim of this day is to raise the awareness about various global health issues, to promote healthy living, and highlight priority public health concerns across the world. For the year 2026, WHO unites and mobilizes the world under the theme Together for Health, Stand with Science, to highlight the role of various science-led innovations which are improving the health with a special focus on One Health. Let us understand the meaning of this theme. The first part, that is Together for Health, this emphasizes that health is a shared responsibility. So no single country or any sector can handle the health challenges alone. So we need collaboration between various government, healthcare professionals, communities, and the individuals. Stand with Science highlights the importance of evidence-based medicine. It encourages us to trust the scientific researches, follow the verified guidelines only, and prevent the spread of any misinformation. And WHO has launched a year-long campaign stressing the importance of science in improving the global health. Why this theme is important today? The COVID-19 pandemic, which was the biggest global threat seen in the recent history, it clearly demonstrated the role of science in protective health. With the help of vaccine, we are able to save millions of lives across the world. Science helped us to understand the disease, its mode, transmission, causes, risk factors. So without scientific research, we would not have been able to identify the virus or develop any strategies to control it. Surveillance system also plays a very important part. The countries were able to track the cases, monitor the trends, and implement the control measures which were based on the data. At the same time, we also saw in the COVID era the spread of misinformation, or known as a infodemic, which refers to the spread of misinformation and false information through various social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. And this may be regarding either the claims about the vaccine, unproven treatment, or fear-based message. So this sort of misinformation and communication that leads to vaccine hesitancy, delay in seeking treatment, and the poor compliance with the public health measures. That is why the WHO is emphasizing stand with science, which is to combat any misinformation and to build trust in evidence-based health practices. Today, the world is facing multiple complex health challenges like climate change, which is affecting the health, increasing zoonotic disease, and rising antimicrobial resistance. So these are not isolated problems. So they are interconnected and they require a scientific, coordinated, and global solutions. So WHO promotes One Health concept to prevent the future pandemics. What is One Health approach? One Health means the human health, animal health, and the environmental health, they are all interconnected. Infectious disease, they are coming from animals. And environmental changes, they can also influence the disease pattern in the community. So, protecting human health requires protecting animals as well as the environment. So, this approach encourages the collaboration between doctors, veterinarians, and environmental experts. So, we cannot achieve a good human health without a healthy ecosystem. Another important aspect is the global cooperation. As we have seen in the COVID-19 pandemic also, the health threats, they do not respect borders, and any outbreak in any country, it can quickly spread the worldwide. So no country can tackle the health issues alone, which highlights the multilateral action to convert evidence into policy. Thus, international collaboration is essential for the sharing of data, to develop various policy, and to implement effective intervention. So WHO plays a crucial role in coordinating these global efforts. Strengthening public health system. So scientific evidence that should not remain only on the research paper, it must be translated into policies that need to be implemented. Strengthening public health system will ensure better preparedness for any pandemic or epidemic, early detection of disease, and an effective response to various health emergencies. To support this theme, two major global events are being organized. First is the International One Health Summit, which is being organized from 5th to 7th April, and it is hosted by the government of France under the G7 presidency. Second is the Global Forum of WHO Collaborating Centers, which is being organized from 7th to 9th of April, and which is involving scientific institutions from over 80 countries. These events represent one of the largest global scientific collaborations, which highlight how partnership can improve the global health. Now the question is, what can we do as an individual? So we should trust only the reliable sources like WHO or the government health portals, and should avoid any sort of WhatsApp forwards and prevent the spread of any misinformation. Follow the scientific advice regarding the vaccination or the screening of disease, adopt a healthy lifestyle, and spread awareness responsibly. The World Health Day 2026 remind us that health is a shared responsibility. Science is our strongest tool and is essential for the better health outcome, and global cooperation is the need of the hour.